Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Paola, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week. It's been kind of chaotic. I finally sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial, which I've been wanting to do for a really long time, but I just got lazy, whatever, besides the point. And it's kind of been chaotic. It's been a minute. Anyways, today I am doing a full face of just drugstore products, which I am very excited about because I know that when I started doing makeup, I couldn't afford it. I didn't have a job. I was 14, I think, and I just, I wanted all the expensive makeup products, but this is for those of you that, you know, you don't have the money and you can still look pretty bomb with being on a budget. So without further ado, please keep on watching. I'm like choking myself with my necklace. Anyways, okay, I could try to do my hair. We're just gonna make my mom mad and keep my hair down because I don't want to put it up and have it crease. Anyways, so like I mentioned, I am going to do a full face of drugstore products. The only thing that is not drugstore are my brows and the primer that I used. Let's get started. Now, in the spirit of this video, I am also only going to use drugstore brushes, which is basically my entire collection. It's either drugstore or Morphe, which Morphe is also very affordable, so could be considered drugstore. But for today's eyeshadow, I am going to use the Maybelline palette, the Matte Bar. It looks like this. These are the colors. I think they're super cute, super wearable. So I'm gonna start by using the Groundbreaker. This shade right here. I'm going to use this EcoTools double-ended brush. So this is like a blending brush I'm gonna use for usually my transition colors. So the colors that I use all over the lid. So that's what we're doing, grabbing that shade and adding it as my transition color. I honestly don't even know what look I am doing, but we're just gonna run with it. Me estoy alistando para comer en mi comedor. Like I didn't do anything, but I promise I did something. So now I'm gonna grab this Real Techniques brush, shade Grit, which is this, like, I don't know what is going on with my throat. It's like an orangey toned, and I'm gonna add it to the outside part, but still dragging it in. How are you guys? If you hear any noises in the back, it's my mom making dinner. But, you know, this whole coronavirus thing is really, really serious. And my city actually is on lockdown right now. That's what they called it, lockdown. Basically, we're actually not allowed to leave our homes anymore unless you're like, what did they call it? Essential employee, I think that's what they called it. Yeah. Now I'm grabbing this a little bit more dense brush by Wet n Wild. I don't know why I keep doing this. I don't think that it's doing anything. But anyways. Oh, and I'm gonna grab the color Hustle. This one right here. And I'm going to just mix it in with all the other colors, focus on it on the outside. And you know, we do need to start taking this matter more serious. I guess I just want to, for anybody that cares about my opinion, catch everyone up on what I think about the subject. And like, even though I make fun of my mom for being so overprotective, I do think that it's a time for us to take it serious. And even if you think that this is inevitable, like, it's not. You know, there's certain procedures that can make it less painful for everybody. And me and my mom were actually talking about it. Like, one of the most sad things about this disease is the fact that people have to die alone. Like, there can't be any contact with the outside world. So, like, people literally have to be alone. So since all of these are mattes, I'm not going to use any shimmer, and I'm going to go in with the shade Brick House. Yeah, that makes sense. Brick House, which is this one right here. And I'm going to grab a flatter shader brush, which is like thin from the side, but yeah, you get it. Whatever, I don't know why I'm explaining it. And I'm going to add this all over the lid. Sorry about the mirror. It's just gonna hang out with me up here. I actually really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's very blendable, and the colors are really pretty, and they're very easy to manage. I really like it. Highly recommend, highly recommend. I'm gonna go in with this shade again, that little brown one, and try to blend it outwards. Okie dokie, that's it for the eyeshadow for now. Going into primer, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which, wow guys, low key, this is bomb. So I grabbed a little bit. Also, I have nails. Wow. I don't even know why I got them. I haven't left my house ever since I got them. In my defense, I didn't know this was happening. I am back home. I put way too much. Way too much. You don't need that much. Basically until next semester, if even that. I hope that we get to go back next semester. I'm not trying to, you know, jinx anything, but the way things are going, it seems worse and worse unless people listen. Okay, listen. Okay, so I'm not sponsored. Wish I was, but I'm using the e.l.f. Foundation. When I first got this, I'm an idiot. I was trying so hard to twist it off. I was like, what the heck? What the heck? Also, I think this foundation is a little bit too light for me, but who cares, right? Yeah, it definitely looks, but it doesn't look like it looks like this color. I don't know. Whatever. No pasa nada. Oh, that looks really wet. Wow. Wow. Also, I don't know what it smells like. I want to say like soap. It smells like soap. Oh, it literally, wow, it looks like I put on a mask. It's okay, no pasa nada. It's okay, just blend it up to your neck and bronze the hell out of your face. It's fine. Okay, one moment. Because it's so freaking pale. I'm also gonna contour, but okay. This is an OG of mine. This is the first ever concealer that I ever used. Well, actually, that's a lie. Mary Kay was the first concealer I used because I would steal it from my mom. But this was the other concealer that I would use, and it's the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. A lot of people swear by this. A lot of people. And yeah, like my concealer is even darker than... Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of e.l.f. Camouflage. Again, not sponsored by e.l.f., but I do love them. Because I think it's a lighter shade. And then also gonna grab my LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I don't know if you can get this at the drugstore. I don't think that you can, but it's only like $2, so it should count. No, I don't even do this anymore. I know I did this in one of my tutorials. I don't do this anymore just because too much work, too intense for every day. But this foundation is way too light, so we're gonna use that. Sorry that I look so much different with makeup. This takes a lot of work, okay? And a lot of money goes into this. But that's why we do the drugstore version, because everything in here is... Nothing in here is above $15. Nothing. Okay, this video is turning into a mess. I am so sorry, guys. For powder, I'm using the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and this is literally my favorite powder in the world at the moment. I don't use anything else. I love this thing. I love this thing. And I haven't really been baking. I kind of just press it into my skin. Oh, and I'm not using the color translucent. I'm using the color Fair Light, which I don't consider myself very light. I don't know. I guess this entire video is about how I think my skin tone is a lot lighter than what I actually am. Who knows? But if I had to say one product that I have been obsessing over and has been making my routine so much better, or makes my face look so much better, it's that powder. Okay, now let's stop looking like such psychos and bronze. So I'm using the Butter Bronzer, and I'm pretty sure you can get this at the drugstore. Pretty sure. But I usually buy it at Ulta. It's only like, oh my god, I don't want to lie to you. I think it's $6, but I don't want to lie. And this EcoTools contour brush. Let's add some life to my face. I'm also gonna grab this. Yeah, this is EcoTools. They don't have names on them, so I can't tell you which brush specifically it is, but this is a denser brush that I always use for my nose contour. So that's what we're doing. I haven't been to the gym in 3 weeks since I left San Antonio for spring break. And now I can't go to the gym, so I started doing like videos from online, like online cardio videos and stuff, like on YouTube. And today I tried something new and I did like a kickboxing one, and oh my god, it kicked my little behind. For blush, I'm using the Milani blush in Luminoso, which is really famous on YouTube, and a Wet n Wild brush. And I have been loving blush. I haven't done my makeup in a week. Literally. That actually, like 7 days. For what? I also love this blush because it gives me like some shine. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some shine and I love it. See, I look so much better. Chill out. It's gonna work out. Hold on, I'm gonna add some more blush to my nose. Do you see the shine in the nose? I know I keep looking at myself, sorry. Do you see the shine in the nose? Cute, right? I told you the blush has some shine. But in case it don't have enough shine for you, Master Chrome Maybelline highlight in the shade 250. Also, this highlighter is so highlighting. Bright. Going back to my Master Studio palette, I'm gonna grab this little tiny brush from e.l.f. Use that dark shade that I used for the lid. Add it to the bottom lash line. And then just to smoke it out a little bit more, I'm gonna grab this shade, like more orangey shade, and smoke that out. This one's a really tiny little baby e.l.f. shadow, and add that to my inner corner. I'm debating whether or not to do eyeliner, because I never do eyeliner on my channel, because I hardly do eyeliner in real life. Honestly, I've gotten really bad at it. Should I? Yeah, we'll just do it. Okay, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure this is just in the color black. It literally exploded. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Well, I'm sorry for that brief interruption. Rude interruption. I'm gonna try this. I might cut this part out. Who knows? I don't think it's that far off. And we're gonna pretend. My table almost fell. L'Oreal Voluminous Black Mascara. Be right back. This Wet n Wild Liquid Katsu liquid lipstick in Give Me Mocha. Okay, this ended up being a super dark makeup look, but I think I successfully used everything Drugstore. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. I kind of just went with the flow to create this look. I hope that you guys really like it and that you're staying home and playing with your makeup at home. Stay safe, don't do anything dumb, please. If you really don't need to, if you don't have an emergency, there's no need for you to be out right now. Again, all of these products were Drugstore, and none of them exceed the amount of, I don't even think $12. I think everything is under $12. That's pretty much it for today. I think I'm gonna start posting a lot more videos just because I have the time and I like to do them. So if you like this video, please make sure to put a like down below, comment any other video ideas because you'll see me a lot more often. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.